On a rainy morning at Suzuka 1992, fans fill the merchandise alley with racing spirit. Caps, shirts, and souvenirs become symbols of the fans' love for Grand Prix racing. At the circuit gate, spectators wait with tickets in hand and hearts racing. In the paddock, a calm silence lingers before the engines roar to life. Suzuka's grandstands are packed with umbrellas, waiting for legends to rise on the wet track. From the merchandise alley to the rain-soaked grandstands, Suzuka 1992 became a story of passion, courage, and racing spirit. That day, the fans did not just watch the Grand Prix, they became part of the legend.
Don't forget to like, share, and follow.